This is the seafood boil. This is how it's looking. We just cooked it live. So if you want to see that live stream, check it out. And I got my eggs right there because I've had put them in the pot. I want to stir this up and it was mixing up. So I'm about to fix my bowl of seafood boil and EO. A picture is worth 1,000 words. I left a piece of skin on there. Shell. We only got one corn, so let's savor it. I'm gonna leave the other one for tomorrow. Y'all want something that tastes so good? Peyton was getting ready to eat something the other day. And she said, I'm gonna go eat my food because the girls don't like it. When I be snacking. Peyton. The girls could turn the channel. They can fast forward. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I didn't go get no seafood yesterday. Because now I can have some leftovers, child. And I can lick my fingers. I love licking my fingers, y'all. Especially when it got something good on it. I needed more sauce. I think I got some more sauce up in there, I think. I had 2 things of sauce. See, y'all? That's the imitation crab meat. And I didn't have to buy nothing. I had everything. From my last seafood boil. I just didn't have enough corn, but when I'm doing my seafood boil, I like to buy the shrimp. I just like the shrimp with the shell on it. It holds that butter and that flavor in there. And it's just so much better. And another thing, the shrimps with the shell on them be bigger. Miss Charlene don't like the shrimp with the shells on them because she don't like, you see this? She don't like getting her fingers dirty. Girl, you better lick them fingers. She was eating her seafood boil with a fork. Now that's a ditty, y'all. I told her she's a ditty. She said, I'm not a ditty. If she watching, sorry, well, if she watching, You're sedity, Charlene. And some people watch me all the way up to when I cook. And they don't want to watch me eat. But some people, they be like, Vanessa, enjoy your food. Smack, girl. Because if I was eating that, I'd be smacking too. Smack your mouth. This is my first meal of the day. It is 9:28 where I'm at. Guess what? I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed, child. I'm gonna eat me some seafood boil tomorrow. I think I have some more sauce. I don't know if I need no more sauce because I may save this sauce for the other dish I'm gonna cook. In a couple of days. I might be moving to another campsite soon. I'm trying to decide what I want to do, y'all. Gas so high. Y'all, I got my door open. Food make you dance if it tastes good. Do the tasty dance. Do the tasty dance. Do the tasty dance. I can't dance, y'all. I don't have no rhythm. I can't dance, y'all. I got it from my mama and the daddy. I don't think they can dance. I was about to say something else. We almost got 200 thumbs up, y'all. Y'all. Should I wash dishes before I go to bed? You better say no. Should I wash dishes before I go to bed? You better say no, Vanessa. You've been attacked by the windstorms all day. Are you tired? Say, girl, I can already tell you tired. Your eyes is closing. And you ain't got to wash them dishes tonight. I look like the Matrix. I'm ducking something. If I was an actress, y'all, I would like to play action movies. Y'all, where do they make movies at? Is it Hollywood or is it Atlanta now? I'm about to move to the big city and do van life so I could become an actress. Baby, I don't mind playing the scary creature. I don't mind. I can get paid to do that. I'm moving to LA. I'm gonna move to the big city. I'm gonna become, it ain't never too late to follow your dreams out. I'm gonna become the oldest actress that entered the scene at the ripe old age of 58. I just want to play action movies. Last dance tonight. I need you beside me to hold me, to hug me. I don't know, man, y'all, I could mess up a song. Let's dance tonight. Oh, I need you. Oh yeah, I can mess up a song real fast. Y'all, when they be doing them dance songs, them dance trend songs, and they be do the Cabbage Patch, do the Cabbage Patch, or do the what? Girl, I don't be knowing what they be talking about doing. Do the Cabbage Patch. What is the Cabbage Patch? I can mess up a song. I can mess up a dance real quick, real fast, quick. I'm not washing these dishes now. No, sir. I'll probably wash them tomorrow. And I'm probably not going to drink that juice that I pulled out, but I could pour it outside later. And we're gonna see how many this thing. Oh, these doors get on my nerves. We're gonna see how much leftovers we got. Because I'm gonna put two potatoes in there. I think this is gonna be enough for maybe 3 more meals. I was thinking 2, but I think I might could get 3 more meals out of here. Okay, these new ones that I'm pulling out, I need to wipe these off. They clean, but they got dust in them. That dust be getting everywhere, y'all. When I get ready to do a van tour, I'm gonna have to clean my van from top to bottom, the bottom to top. For the realio, for the dealio, for those reels. Yep, I think we're gonna have 3 meals, which is a good thing. So that $100 went a long way, especially for one person. Ooh, I hope this thing ain't gonna break. See, my door right here, I must have put the wrong door in the wrong way because I can't open this cabinet, this drawer. I can't get this bowl out the other bowl. Ooh, I hope it ain't broke. I can't get it to come out. I like to use the glass instead of the plastic for hot stuff. I can't get the other bowls out. There we go. We got 3 bowls of food. Put that top back on there. And I need to get 2 more tops. Where are my other tops at? Ooh, these things are dusty. And I got a cabinet door back there. That dust just will find a way to get in, won't it? Now, I'm not washing dishes tonight, but I will put my food up. And we can wash these dishes tomorrow. And I enjoyed my meal. And we got 3 individual meals already prepped and ready to go. So when you live in a van or you're at home and you cook a large meal, just put it in individual containers. If you're like me and you don't mind eating leftovers, I can eat leftovers until they're gone. I can eat leftovers for a week. If I cook a big pot of spaghettis, baby, we is not throwing that away. Oh no, ma'am. So y'all, oh, we got 70 thumbs up. I wanted to get to 200 thumbs up on the live stream, y'all. I wanted to get to 200 thumbs up before we leave. We need 30 more thumbs up. Double tap the screen to give it a thumbs up. Or hit the 3 dots up at the top and then hit the thumbs up if you don't know how to double tap. So y'all, my drinks, I remember to take them out the freezer. Take them out the freezer right now, sir. Let me see if this is... I could wait and put this in the refrigerator later, let it cool off a little bit. And yeah, we're just going to leave everything on the cabinet as is. None of this stuff is in our way. And I am going to get ready for bed. I'll probably throw that juice outside because I probably won't drink it. I'll throw it outside. Go outside. Oops, in the rain. If I take these out of the box, I can throw the box away. So let's see if we have a place to put up these drinks. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you enough. Thank y'all for keeping me company. Thank y'all for being my friend. Thank everybody for subscribing to the channel. I post videos over here every other day. I post videos on my other channel, Life Lessons with Vanessa, every day. And I'm starting back to go live over here. As long as I'm in the cell service area, as long as I can get some service. I start to say city, but being in the city don't matter. I get internet reception on some BLM land. So if it had nothing to do with being in the city. Let me see, is this water bottle clean? Okay, I'm gonna have to wash this again. I need to put some vinegar up in there. It's clean, but I don't like the way it smells. Okay. And we're gonna have to find something to cook with the rest of them vegetables that we got from the food pantry. And I'm turning off my fan. And I'm gonna put my mattress down. I went to Dollar Tree. Was it today or yesterday? I needed one of these. I didn't find what I was looking for. I went to Dollar Tree looking for one of them scrubby brushes. The exfoliating scrubby towel thing that I use to bathe with. I need another one of those. And I got it from Dollar Tree, but some things that Dollar Tree carry, they don't restock them. Or like when they, before they start selling the other stuff, they used to carry more dollar stuff, but now they've eliminated a lot of stuff that they used to carry. And I don't like that. I don't like that. That stuff that I bought before, I can't find anymore. And I really hate that the 99 cents only store went out of business. I really hate that. The 99 cent store was my jam. That was my jam. Okay, I got all this stuff on the floor that I threw on the floor. And when I got it off the cabinet countertop, so let me pick this stuff up. Yeah, the 99 cents only store used to be my jam. But when they closed, they hurt my feelings, y'all. I don't know why the 99 cent store went out of business. Can anybody tell me why? Why, oh why, oh why? Y'all, my thing came off the other day. Let me see, did I put it in here? My thing, my latch for the top of my refrigerator came off the other day. And so now I need to get some more of this. What do they call this? Child, I'm gonna probably have to put some super glue on this thing so this thing could stay stuck to the refrigerator. What is this called? That 3M stuff came off. Probably because of the heat or maybe because of the paint, but I just found another one. It's a different size. But baby, that's what we about to use, because I was like, I'm going to have to go to the store and buy some more of that stuff. But baby, I just found a piece on the floor from something else. So we ain't got to spend no money. So let me wipe this surface with alcohol. I think that's where it was at. So I'm going to put it back at the same place. Let me wipe that with alcohol. And let me wipe this with alcohol. And then I'm going to put this on here and press it down really hard to make sure it's on there. I don't know what this go to that I found on the floor, but it go to this now. I don't know what this went to. But it's a perfect fit. It go to this. And I'm going to push that on there. I found these latches on Amazon and they are perfect. You know what? I wanted to paint this thing while it's down. While it's down, I could paint it. Ooh. I ain't putting that back up there. And y'all, look. I just seen some paint on the floor. So guess what? I'm about to step outside, y'all. I can't take y'all outside with me, y'all. Y'all on the charger. I'm about to go paint this thing, child. This is perfect. It came off. Even though you cannot see it because it's on the side, and I like that it's not on the front of the refrigerator, but you still could see it on the side. So I was like, I wanted to paint that gold. Girl, we about to paint this, but we ain't gonna paint that in the van because, girl, I am not trying to get hot. Some of y'all might get high off of paint, spray paint, but it's not me. Not I, said the little red hand. But I'm about to go outside and spray this thing. Hold on, y'all. We on to something. Didn't come off. And I was wondering how am I going to paint that. But the other one, I'm just going to take some paint, put it in the cap, and take a brush. And just wipe it on there. That's how I'm going to have to do that. But that's how I was going to do it. Where there's a will, there's a way. But that thing came off, so kudos to me for thinking about that. I'm going to put a couple of coats on there. Hey, if y'all are new to the live stream, I bought these the other day at a garage sale. I have 3 of them, and I love them, y'all. I'm gonna use this to put vinegar in, dish soap in, my cooking oil, my olive oil or whatever. But I need to see if they fit. Y'all, my floor is dusty. I need to see if they fit under here, which, yeah, they're gonna fit. Because I got double stuff. Oh, let me take this trash and empty this trash in my trash bag I got. Look, y'all. This is gonna fit perfect. Oh, I'm so happy I bought these. How much did I pay for these? $4. $4 for 3. Not $4 a piece. When the lady told me $4, I was like, is that $4 for one or $4 a piece? See, I could put anything in here. I'm looking for taller things. Oh, let's go with the broom I've been looking for. I need to put a hook on this thing. I'm looking for taller things because I got enough room. Like, say for instance, I got this jar and this jar. It don't make no sense for me to have a short jar because I got enough room to have more height. So I'm trying to see, like, I got, and I just like glass, y'all. I know I live in a van, but I like